Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today we will see how to count the blank rows in a column. So for this I will use count blank formula. So sometimes we might need to count what are the null or empty rows in a column. So before that I have some value here in column H, and then what I will do is I will write down the formula here, equal, and then count blank a parenthesis, and then there are two ways to select the data, either the whole column or the until the target value. Let's select the whole column, then we'll see what would be the result. So I can see that a huge number of empty rows, which is actually underneath my target values. That means we have to be careful when we are selecting the blank rows. So instead of the whole column, I'll just select the target values in column H, so which is until H10 cell reference, and then click enter. Then we can see the result is 2. So that means in my target values I have 2 empty rows. So this is how we can practice. Thank you.